Hey, what's going on, guys? Here's another video. It's actually been a long time since I posted a video, but it's just because I don't know. I have been working a lot with Unreal Engine. I just haven't posted much, and that's probably because I had to move back after college. But now I'm back, and I actually have a lot of stuff that I've been working on. I've recently been working on networking, right? So on how players interact with their server and how clients interact with the server and how they talk to one another. It's actually really, really interesting. How replication works. Here's what I'm actually working on so far. It's actually like a first-person game that it's a first-person multiplayer game that you can damage people based on the distance, on their what kind of body part you hit. It's gonna be shooting. It's gonna be stabbing eventually in the future. There's different types of movements, so crouching, walking, running, and eventually I'm gonna add jumping maybe, depending on what I feel like. Be able to say your names, join sessions, play with characters. That's kind of like the whole goal. So far we have a lot of this, right? So there's a muzzle flash. There's a separate muzzle flash based on the player. There's a lot of tricks going on here, right? Like things that only I can see or the server does that the other players don't do. And we're gonna have it so that a player can be like the host and other people can join that host. And hopefully that works. But basically right now we just have shooting, and depending on the damage where you did it, so let's say like shoot him in the head, right? Shooting in the head does 55 damage out of 100. Now he has 16 HP over here. Say I shoot server, it's 45 HP, and there's a whole menu and everything. You know, there's a whole death animation. There's respawning based on like a respawn timer that you could be able to change in the settings. There's a lives amount. Currently everyone has 3 lives, so now he has 2. There's a lot of work that goes into it. Like just alone on this movement took a lot of time because I'm doing a camera shake as well as like making the body blend with the foot movements. Because as you can see, this is the same animation as the like each of these animations are the same hand animation. They're just going at different speeds because of the legs, because they're blending with the legs of the player. And in fact, actually the player I'm playing as right now, right? Every player has their own separate model that that's not related to like what everyone else is seeing. I'll show you. So over here, there's 2 models. There's the replicated player body, and there's the player body without, which is someone who doesn't have a head, because the head is actually hidden, so it doesn't hide the block the camera. And you can see that there's like different parts of the body that you can shoot at, so the legs, the chest, and the arm, and the head. I've not done the arms because I felt like that was like a little too just too much work for no reason. And also we didn't want to increase the processing power of anyone playing this game, because I kind of want this game to be relatively light, not like crazy. I want it to look good and I want it to feel good, but like I don't want it to be like massive, you know. So yeah, it's everything so far. I might add some more features in the future, but definitely got a ton of stuff going on. Here's what the code looks like. It's an absolute mess, but it's really good. It's really good stuff. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. You all have a good day. Peace out.